Hi, my name's Julie, and I'm here to talk to you about my classes with Natalia. Um, I'm an English speaker and I'm learning Spanish because I live in Spain. I want to be able to speak more fluently. And although I'm only an A1 and I'm a very, very slow learner, Natalia is just an amazing teacher to learn with. She's really patient, and so she never minds correcting all of my errors. The other thing I really like about classes with Natalia is that she's very well prepared. Sometimes I ask her to focus on something specifically and she always comes with great materials for me. Sometimes we work through a book which she recommended to me, which is highly appropriate and has been so helpful to me, something I would never have found myself. The other thing that I really like about classes with Natalia is that they're very relaxed, so it's okay to try to make a mistake. You don't feel stupid about it. And also we have fun in classes as well. We can have a laugh together, and so I really look forward to coming to them. I enjoy my classes so much, in fact, that I'm coming to the end of my first batch of classes with her, and I'm already planning to book more classes because I really feel that I'm making progress with her. I highly recommend her to you as a teacher, and I would say have a trial lesson with her, and like me, I'm sure that you'll book up straight away. Thank you.